Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey there, it's Shiela. Today I'll be discussing the origin of the universe theory. So if you want to know how everything in this universe started, then just keep on watching. Absence of technology was the hindrance why a direct observation on how elements are formed was not possible. Not until the late 1920s, when the telescope was invented, George Demeter, a Belgian astrophysicist, together with Edwin Powell Hubble, an American astronomer, observed that the new stars mostly contain hydrogen and helium, while the old stars has lesser hydrogen and helium. This observation leads to the theory that the universe is expanding.
The most accepted explanation on how the universe started is the Big Bang Theory, in which the universe started from an extremely hot and very dense singularity.
In Big Bang Theory, it is said that the universe expanded in less than 1 second. But the most common misconception of some is that explosion occurred during those times. Well, scientists explain that there is no explosion during those times. It is an expansion instead, and that expansion is called inflation.
The universe was perceived to be an expanding soup of fundamental particles that included bosons, quarks, hadrons, and leptons. As the universe expanded, it eventually cooled down into an ideal temperature for protons and neutrons to combine into a nucleus. This process is called nucleosynthesis.
After hundreds of thousands of years, the universe finally cooled down and the first atom was formed, which is the hydrogen.
As I've said earlier, combination of protons and neutrons is called nucleosynthesis, and that is what happened to produce hydrogen. However, if a nuclei is combined with nucleus, it is called nuclear fusion and will produce an isotope.
So what is an isotope? Isotope is a product of nuclear fusion in which an atom has the same number of elements but different mass number.
X is the symbol of the element. The superscript A is the mass number or the sum of protons and neutrons. Lastly, the subscript Z is the atomic number or the number of protons. An example of isotope is deuterium and tritium. 1H1 plus 1N0 is equal to 2H1. Same element which is hydrogen but has different mass number. Here are some of the things that we need to remember in nuclear radiation. Alpha particle has a mass number of 4, a symbol of A, and an atomic number of 2. Beta particle positron or the positive 1 has a mass number of 0, a symbol of B, and an atomic number of 1. Beta particle electron or the negative 1 has a mass number of 0, a symbol of B, and an atomic number of negative 1. Gamma ray has a mass number of 0, a symbol of Y, and then 0 atomic number. Proton has a mass number of 1, a symbol of P, and an atomic number of 1. Lastly, neutron has a 1 mass number, symbol of N, and 0 atomic number.
And that's it. That's how the first element in the universe was formed. I hope you understand and get something from this tutorial vlog. Thanks for watching. Till the next time. Bye!
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.